At a time when everyone is coming up with ways to do everything from home, we give you something completely the opposite. Platzi, the platform that focuses and facilitates experiences. It's a social media that promotes events, hangouts, and live interactions. While Platzi filters out recommendations on the basis of your past reviews or create events of your own, we target and focus the young adults with the will and drive to experience and share. The world is moved by things that make an impact and create a change, and we believe that Platzi is going to do both. The prospect and the effectiveness of our service is limitless. We believe our idea is unique, and we dream to not only make Platzi an everyday app in our country but the world as well. As visionaries aiding the world to an easier means of organizing and attending events, we strongly believe that we should win Startup Open 2015.